Poor puppies. Wet and cold. Hungry and scared. On the side of the road. Dreaming of a warm bed. They're dying. Only trash for food. Nobody to love them. They're not going to survive. A car comes. Someone has stopped. What is going to happen to them? Finally, someone wants the puppies. Look at them now. Clean and smelling good. Eating good food. Sleeping well. They like the rain now. Based on a true story. So lucky. So happy. Having fun at the beach. Promise to never ignore puppies and dogs. Give them love, food, and shelter.